Assalamu alaikum. This is Nazmul. Today I will demonstrate my new AI agent workflow project, which is a personal AI assistant. With the help of the Telegram triggered, I will conversation start with the AI agent, and switch node is controlled whether it is text or audio. If it is text, then edit fields will it will send it to edit fields, and edit fields send it to the root AI agent. If the message is audio or voice record, then first of all getting the file, then the Gemini transcribe this voice message and send it to the root AI agent. Root AI agent is nothing but it's like a controller. If I say something about writing blog related, then it will send it to the blog AI agent. If I say something about calendar related task, then the controller AI agent will send it to calendar AI agent. If I say something about uh, technical term related or theoretical related, like machine learning and the artificial intelligence, then the root controller AI agent will send it to the research AI agent. If I say something about contact related, whether getting contacts or add or update contacts, then the root controller AI agent will send it to the contact AI agent. And if I say something about email related replies, adding replies or send emails, then controller agent will send it to a email AI agent. Currently, I have three of the contacts in my Google Sheet. Now I will execute the workflow, execute workflow. So it is waiting for the trigger node. So I will say that please add this contact into Google Sheet. Entered it. The workflow is start. The controller AI agent is send it to the contact AI agent, and here is the contact list. Now I have a new contact here, which is recently I have added with the help of this AI agent. So it is worked. Now I will again execute the workflow and say that can you please give me this person's email address, and entered. Workflow is running and the response is here. I have clearly provided this information. Here is the Gmail. Now I will say that can you please make an event at this time, 5 to 7 p.m. and the title is Meetup for the Successful Project Delivery, and send an email to MD Nazrul Islam, and entered. The workflow is started. Root AI agent is control. Now, first of all, it send it to the email agent and send an email to the user MD Najmul Islam, and again root controller running and decide whether it will send it, and make a calendar event here. Calendar event agent running. Root AI agent controller again run, and output is sent to the Telegram. Here is the Telegram response. Perfect. I have completed calendar event created and send the email here. Here is the meeting for the successful project delivery. The date is 20 Tuesday. And here is the email. Dear MD Nazmul Islam, I hope this email finds you. I wanted to inform you that here is the event. Please mark your calendar and let me know if you have any question or concern looking. So it is worked well. As I have take the free service from Gemini and Cloud, so it is getting too many requests, and it is not available for this time to give me the service. So that's all. The workflow is work like that. If I say something about blog related, it will work for blog, research, content agent, contact agent, email agent, and calendar agent. So thank you everyone.